Modification 1.6, 143 horsepower, E-Tech full hybrid multimode, number of seats 5. Fuel consumption 4.7 L, 100 km. Acceleration time 0 to 100 km per hour 10.6 sec. Acceleration time 0 to 62 miles per hour 10.6 sec. Acceleration time 0 to 60 miles per hour 10.1 sec. Maximum speed 170 km/h. Length 4,413 mm. Width 1797 mm. Height 1575 mm. Wheelbase 2638 mm. Ground clearance 169 mm. The combustion engine and electric motor drive the front wheels of the car, with the ability to drive in all electric or mixed mode. Front wheel drive. Number of gears and gearbox type automatic transmission multimode. Front brakes ventilated disc. Auxiliary systems ABS. Electric power steering. Tire size 215/55 R 1895H, 225/45 R 1992V. Curb weight 1426 to 1447 kg. Gross vehicle weight 1925 kg. Maximum payload 478 to 499 kg. Minimum trunk volume 434 to 548 L. Maximum trunk volume 1582 L. Fuel tank capacity 48 L. Power 94 horsepower at 5,600 RPM. Torque 149 Nm at 3,600 RPM. Engine capacity 1598 cc. Number of cylinders 4. Fuel injection system distributed injection. Boost type atmospheric. Total battery capacity 1.26 kWh. Battery voltage 150 V. Battery technology lithium-ion, Li-ion. Battery location under the trunk. Electric motor power 49 HP. Electric motor torque 205 Nm. Electric motor location front, transverse. System power 143 HP.